Topic: Yes-no conversation practice. Simple yes and no conversations in English. Intro. Have you ever answered an English question with only one word? Someone asked, "Do you like coffee?" And you simply said, "Yes." Or maybe someone asked, "Can you help me?" And you replied, "No." While these answers are correct, they don't sound natural. Native English speakers usually give short but complete answers. They don't only say yes or no. They add one more sentence to continue the conversation. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use yes and no naturally in everyday English conversations. You will practice real-life dialogues, learn useful sentence patterns, and build the confidence to answer quickly and correctly. Let's begin. Chapter 1: Understanding yes and no answers. The words yes and no are the simplest answers in English, but they become much more useful when you complete the sentence. For example, question: Are you a student? Instead of saying, yes, say, yes I am. Question: Do you like English? Instead of saying, yes, say, yes I do. Question: Can you swim? Say, yes I can. Complete answers sound more polite and more confident. Chapter 2: The 4 basic patterns. There are 4 patterns you will use every day. Yes I am. No I am not. Yes I do. No I do not. Yes I can. No I cannot. Yes it is. No it is not. If you master these 4 patterns, you can answer hundreds of English questions. Chapter 3: Conversation at home. Imagine your mother asks, "Are you awake?" Yes I am. Did you eat breakfast? Yes I did. Are you ready for school? Yes I am. Did you clean your room? No I did not. I will do it now. Notice that every answer is short, but complete. Chapter 4: Conversation with friends. Your friend asks, "Are you free today?" Yes I am. Do you want to play cricket? Yes I do. Can we meet this evening? Yes we can. Are you bringing your brother? No I am not. These are real conversations you can use every day. Chapter 5: Conversation at school. Your teacher asks, "Did you complete your homework?" Yes I did. Do you understand the lesson? Yes I do. Can you answer this question? Yes I can. Are you ready for the test? Not yet, but I am preparing. Simple conversations help build confidence in the classroom. Chapter 6: Conversation at work. Imagine your manager asks, "Are you available this afternoon?" Yes I am. Can you finish this project today? Yes I can. Do you need any help? No I do not. Thank you. Professional English is often simple. Clear communication is more important than difficult vocabulary. Chapter 7: Conversation while shopping. The shopkeeper asks, "Can I help you?" Yes please. Are you looking for something special? Yes I am. Would you like to try this? Yes I would. Is this your final choice? Yes it is. Shopping conversations become easy when you know simple answers. Chapter 8: Conversation at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" Yes I am. Would you like something to drink? Yes please. Do you need anything else? No thank you. Was everything good? Yes it was. Polite English creates a positive impression. Chapter 9: Telephone conversation. Your friend calls. Are you busy? No I am not. Can you talk right now? Yes I can. Did you receive my message? Yes I did. Can I call you later? Yes of course. Phone conversations become much easier with practice. Chapter 10: The secret to natural conversations. Always remember one simple rule. Never stop with only yes or no. Add one more sentence. For example, do you like English? Yes I do. I practice it every day. Are you hungry? No I am not. I just had lunch. One extra sentence makes your conversation sound natural and friendly. Chapter 11: Conversation about daily routine. Imagine your friend asks you about your daily routine. Do you wake up early? Yes I do. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. Do you exercise every day? Yes I do. I exercise for 30 minutes. Do you eat breakfast before work? Yes I do. I never skip breakfast. Do you leave home early? No I do not. I leave home around 8 o'clock. These are simple conversations that you can use every day. Chapter 12: Conversation about family. Family is one of the easiest topics to talk about. Do you live with your family? Yes I do. I live with my parents. Do you have any brothers? Yes, I do. I have one brother. Do you have any sisters? No, I do not. Is your family supportive? Yes, they are. They always encourage me. Family conversations help you speak naturally. Chapter 13 Conversation about Hobbies. People often ask about hobbies. Do you enjoy reading books? Yes, I do. I read every evening. Do you play any sports? Yes, I do. I play cricket on weekends. Do you watch movies often? No, I do not. I prefer documentaries. Do you like listening to music? Yes, I do. It helps me relax. Talking about hobbies makes conversations more interesting. Chapter 14 Conversation about School. Students use these conversations every day. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you enjoy your classes? Yes, I do. English is my favorite subject. Did you complete your homework? Yes, I did. Can you help me with this lesson? Yes, I can. Let us study together. School conversations improve your speaking confidence. Chapter 15 Conversation about Work. Professional conversations are usually short. Do you work in an office? Yes, I do. Are you busy today? Yes, I am. I have several meetings. Did you finish the report? Yes, I did. Can you help me later? Yes, of course. Simple workplace English sounds professional. Chapter 16 Conversation while traveling. Traveling gives many opportunities to practice English. Is this your first visit? Yes, it is. Do you like this city? Yes, I do. It is beautiful. Are you traveling alone? No, I am not. I am traveling with my family. Did you enjoy your trip? Yes, I did. It was wonderful. Travel conversations are useful everywhere. Chapter 17 Conversation at a restaurant. Imagine you are ordering food. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Would you like some soup? No, thank you. Do you want something to drink? Yes, please. Can I have some water? Certainly. Was the food good? Yes, it was. Everything was delicious. Practice these conversations before visiting a restaurant. Chapter 18 Conversation on the phone. Phone conversations require clear answers. Are you free right now? Yes, I am. Can we talk for a few minutes? Yes, we can. Did you receive my message? Yes, I did. Can I call you later? No problem. Talk to you later. The more you practice these conversations, the more confident you become. Chapter 19 Conversation with new people. Meeting new people is a great chance to practice English. Are you from Pakistan? Yes, I am. Do you speak English every day? Yes, I do. Are you enjoying the event? Yes, I am. Can we stay in touch? Yes, of course. It was nice meeting you. Likewise. Simple conversations help build friendships. Chapter 20 Speak every day with confidence. Learning English is not only about grammar. It is about communication. Whenever someone asks you a question, listen carefully. Answer with a complete sentence. Then add one more idea. For example, do you like English? Yes, I do. I practice every day because I want to become fluent. This simple habit makes your English sound natural. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Speak every day. Make mistakes. Learn from them. And keep moving forward. One small conversation today can become fluent English tomorrow. Final message. Congratulations. You have completed another important spoken English lesson. You now know how to answer yes and no questions in many real-life situations. Use these conversations at home, at school, at work, while traveling, and with your friends. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Thank you for learning with the English PK. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.